show you guys how to, this is an, what is it, 2019 Honda CR-V, and this will work in other Honda models that have the same head screen setup. So basically what's going on now is, in the process of connecting a phone, there's no phones here. So basically when you try to connect the phone, you go to the menu here, and it's going to show you that there's a couple of phones here right now that are in the system. So basically six phones in the system. It's only going to allow you, it's not going to allow you to add another phone. So what you have to do is go back, hit the phone thing again, then hit no when it asks you no phones are connected. Would you like to connect the phone? You hit no. Okay, so then you go to phone setup, then you go down to Bluetooth setup, then you go down to delete a device. So when you go ahead and delete a device, I'm going to delete this phone. Would you like to delete this phone? Yes. So that phone has been deleted. So then you go back to phone setup, then you go to yes. Let me just focus this again for you guys. Then you scroll down, and there you go, add new device. Then you just hit this button and add your new device, add your new Bluetooth phone. Just letting you guys know, this is how you do it. This is how you delete a phone in order to add a phone when you have 6 phones already synced to your car. Okay, this is just a quick video for you guys, showing you guys how to do it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. Thanks, y'all.